Welcome to this episode of Moonbats. I don't have anything to do. Well, I do, but I'm not doing anything. I'm just drinking drinks and watching Corey make a mess of stuff. Let's see what he does.
Stuff flaking up a little bit.
What you doing, Corey?
Trying to get the liner out of this tank. 'Cause it's
Why?
all rusted and flaking up.
Let me look in there. Let's see what's going on.
I don't know if you can see in there.
Oh yeah, look at that. Wait. Oh, whoa. There we go. Oh, there we go. So this is what a gas tank looks like. I don't even know if this is working. It's not working. There's rust in there. It's not working. Corey's trying to fix his gas tank. There I am in the mirror.
No leaks yet.
No leaks yet? That means your gas didn't leak.
How to figure this out?
What are you trying to figure out?
Yeah, what if it doesn't leak?
If it
What
doesn't
am I
leak.
doing? I mean, there's a shit ton of rust in this tank either
Yeah.
way.
It's not leaking there.
But I don't really care because I'm not going to use this forever. I just need it to not leak gas all over my dick while I ride.
I mean, it airs out eventually.
My dick?
Yeah, let's do a reenactment. Corey, what's the liner peeler doing?
Nothing.
Perfect. Corey, is this doing anything yet?
The
The acetone? Yeah. Nothing. So Corey just filmed me. What do you... Whoa, it's at the bottom? This is his camera. This is why you can't use those mounts on your camera, everybody. On your bike. Does that. Just letting you know. Corey broke his bike. Camera on his bike. Still no action. Trying to clear it.
It's a little flaky.
A little flaky. Tossed a bunch of this in there. And it's not really doing much, but a little bit. He's doing that so that way he can put some of this stuff in here. Fuel tank sealer. And then this is it. Because right now his bike looks like that. And then he's got to put this in there before that stuff, the sealer. So this is the steps. Acetone, degreaser, that stuff, then that stuff. The prep and then that. There's a lot of... This video is very shaky. And it is lacking... Context. Dialogue. Structure. It's lacking structure. This video is lacking structure, so let's just mix it up and I'll show you one more thing. Corey's gonna film me. I'm gonna show you this thing. So here's this dumb trick that I learned. Dollar store. This secure brand locks. I use these for all my helmet locks. I have one on my bike all the time. This is the key for it. It's fancy and weird. It works, right? I learned this many years ago when I needed to lock toolboxes. If you make a key that looks like this, it also works. And it works on every single dollar store lock. So don't use dollar store locks for things you don't want to lock up. But we keep them in our house. We have multiples because everybody locks their helmets with them. So you ever want to steal my helmet that's locked on my helmet, just make a dollar store key or just cut it off. But there you go. Here's the thing I just showed you. This video is just 30 minutes of Corey looking in his gas tank.
I've been doing this the whole time.
This is all he's been doing. Alright.
Find something to drain this.
Oh, it's just acetone?
Yeah.
Drain in that bucket right there.
This bucket?
I don't know, why not? What's in the bucket?
Nothing. They don't eat through the bucket, no?
Yeah, but you can then pour it into something else.
You guys want this? Anyone want this?
What is it?
It's just a show. What is it?
I don't know.
I'll tell you exactly what this is, Tony.
What is it?
Let me tell you what this
Well,
is.
let's hear it. Let's hear what that is, Paul.
This is whatever you want.
It's whatever I want it to be. All right.
Mason architect.
All right, so you've learned about locks. You've learned about how to not strip a liner out of a gas tank. Corey's leaving. He's off there somewhere else. And you've learned that bookshelves can be whatever you want them to be. That's this episode of Moonbats. Sorry, bye. Corey's tank's peeing.